Believe it or not, viewers, this is a story that's going to shock you. Because in Punjab, there was a minister who actually was the chief of two portfolios, who was heading two portfolios. And after 20 odd months, there is a realization within the government that one of the portfolios that this minister was holding was actually non-existent. It never existed. Can you believe it? This has come as a major embarrassment for Punjab government because it has now admitted that the Department of Administrative Reforms assigned to Minister Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal never actually existed. Can you believe it? Nearly 20 months later, a fresh notification has removed the non-existent portfolio, leaving Dhaliwal with only the NRI affairs charge. Meenakshi, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Meenakshi, this is bizarre and absolutely shocking. I mean, the minister had no clue that the department he's supposed to be heading for 20 months doesn't exist. The government had no idea. The bureaucrats there had no idea. Is it a joke?
Well, absolutely, Hina, and that's the big question. So that notification which you were speaking of, that really, is something which is at the genesis of this entire controversy. So amidst the outrage that there is a ministry which was literally non-existent for months altogether, amidst that outrage, after BJP, leveled these allegations, the Punjab government put out a notification. They said, according to that particular Gazette notification, that at the moment, that department is non-existent. Now, what does that mean? BJP basically says that there was no department for as many as 20 months, and they've been using that notification now to attack the Punjab government, saying that this basically shows a complete failure of the Maan government, that it was found sleeping on the wheels.
Right.
BJP claims that this ministry was not existent for about 20 months. So why is it the Maan government did not act on it at all? We'll be showing you that notification also in a bit.
We'll come to you for that notification, Meenakshi, in just a bit. And let me also now go across to my colleague Manoj, who is joining us live right now. Manoj, ये हो क्या रहा है पंजाब में? I mean, people want to know कि 20 महीने तक पता ही नहीं चला चीफ मिनिस्टर भगवंत मान को कि उन्हीं के कैबिनेट में एक मंत्री है कुलदीप सिंह धालीवाल, जिनके नाम पे तो दो पोर्टफोलियोज असाइंड हैं, जिनको दो डिपार्टमेंट्स को हेड करना है, बट उसमें से एक डिपार्टमेंट तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. हैव वी हर्ड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द आम आदमी पार्टी देयर?
जी बिल्कुल, खुद मुख्यमंत्री भगवंत मान ने इस पूरे मामले को लेकर बयान दिया है. उनका ये कहना है कि दरअसल एक ही डिपार्टमेंट अलग अलग एक ही काम को अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट कर रहे थे, अलग अलग नाम से थे, इसलिए उन्होंने एक ही डिपार्टमेंट बनाया है. उनका ये कहना है कि एक डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट रिफॉर्म को लेकर है, एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स को लेकर है, एक डिपार्टमेंट अमन अरोड़ा हेड कर रहे थे. तो भगवंत मान का ये तर्क है कि उन्होंने दो डिपार्टमेंट खत्म करके एक डिपार्टमेंट बनाया, क्योंकि दोनों का एक ही काम है. अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट का जब एक ही काम होता है तो एक दूसरे को फाइल्स भेजते रहते हैं, उससे जो प्रक्रिया है वो बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाती है. इसलिए प्रक्रिया को सरल बनाने के लिए जिन डिपार्टमेंट्स का काम एक ही है लेकिन नाम अलग अलग हैं, उनको वो एक बनाने जा रहे हैं. इसी तरीके का उदाहरण उन्होंने इरिगेशन को लेकर दिया है. उनका कहना है कि जिस तरह से इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट का काम पानी से संबंधित होता है, सोइल कंजर्वेशन का काम डिपार्टमेंट का काम भी पानी से संबंधित होता है. तो उनकी सोच ये है कि एक ही डिपार्टमेंट बनाया जाए ताकि काम में सहूलियत हो, कम समय लगे. ये तर्क मुख्यमंत्री भगवंत मान ने दिया है. हालांकि इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स डिपार्टमेंट था उसके मंत्री कुलदीप धालीवाल थे, जो कल नोटिफिकेशन जारी हुई है उससे क्लियर हुआ है कि अब ये डिपार्टमेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है.
जी मनोज, आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ. इनफैक्ट मीनाक्षी हैज गॉट दैट नोटिफिकेशन विद हर एज वेल. मीनाक्षी, ओवर टू यू.
Well, yes, Hina, so this is the notification. Apologies, earlier we had a technical error, but this is the entire, Punjab government Gazette notification. I'll read it verbatim. In partial modification of the Punjab government notification, which was, dated in 2024 regarding allocation of portfolio amidst the minister, Department of Administrative Reform. This is the department in the middle of the controversy. Earlier allotted to Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal, the cabinet minister, is not in existence as on date. Therefore, the advice of the chief minister, the governor of Punjab, is pleased to make the following amendment. Kuldeep Dhaliwal now, earlier he held NRI and administrative reforms. Now he's going to hold NRI affairs. He's not going to be holding the administrative reforms portfolio as again, just going verbatim by this notification. It says this particular department is not in existence as on date. Back to you.
Thank you, Meenakshi, for the moment for joining us with those inputs. In fact, as my colleague Manoj was mentioning, we have got a reaction now from Punjab Chief Minister